Pan nes I ddechrau gofalu am y tro cyntaf, roedd y ffordd ymlaen yn teimlo'n hir ac yn frawychus. Roeddwn i'n teimlo fel fy mod I heb baratoi a ddim yn barod. Ond ar ôl sgwrsio gyda gofalwyr eraill, sylweddolais bod bron pob gofalwr newydd yn teimlo fel hyn I ddechrau. Felly, os ydych chi'n dechrau ar eich llwybr gofalu, hoffem rhannu rhai o'r pethau yr hoffem fod wedi ei gwybod wrth I ni ddechrau ar ein teithiau ni fel gofalwyr.
I really wish I'd actually looked into carers assessments and benefits from the earlier days, because they are available and they do make a difference. They help you organise your life as a carer and can give you the support you need.
There's people out there that don't realise that they can get carers allowance depending on sort of the hours and their circumstances and that, and sometimes they don't understand that they can get a carers grant on top of carers allowance.
When I started caring, I didn't realise how many rights carers have and what they have access to.
You can get a break, you can get a holiday, and don't take no for an answer, because it does help you.
You are allowed time off as a carer. If you're open and honest, you should be able to have a flexible working arrangement to accommodate your schedules.
I would definitely say look at the resources on the Carers UK website, because that is straightforward and it's easy access and easy to read.
It's important for your physical and mental health that you take time out to look after yourself, otherwise you won't be able to look after the person you're looking after.
Look after your own well-being and get as much support as you can. And if you're not getting support, go and find it.
Don't be afraid to ask for help. You need help. It's not a sign of weakness if you can't manage.
Very satisfying if you are helping someone. It's not a thing that you are wasting your time, you are gaining something.
I never have thought that life could be so interesting and so exciting if it were not for my disabled son.
You will find the energy, you'll find the strength, you will find the smiles and the laughter. It will still be there. It could be something that teaches you the greatest lessons of your entire life.
Mae gofalu yn gallu bod yn llwybr anodd I lliwio, ond gyda'r gefnogaeth gywir, gallwch ennill y sgiliau a'r hyder I wynebu beth bynnag mae bywyd yn ei daflu atoch.